Hello my dear learners. Hello my dear student friends. Good morning to all of you. You are all welcome to my English class today. I am Naresh Deshmukh sir speaking to you all. So dear learners, how are you all? Are you fine? Are you well? Oh, that's nice. I am also very fine. So dear learners, today we are going to highlight a new topic. Today we are going to think about a new topic, and that new topic is present continuous tense. I am writing the heading of the tense, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. Okay, today we are going to highlight a new topic, present continuous tense. Okay, so do you know the Marathi meaning of this tense? The Marathi meaning of this tense is चालू वर्तमान काळ, अपूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. And do you know, my dear learners, what the present continuous tense is? So dear learners, the present continuous tense is the tense in which the action is shown to be ongoing. चालू वर्तमान काळ म्हणजे असा काळ असतो की ज्या काळामध्ये क्रिया चालू आहे असं दाखवलं जाते. ओके, at the time of speaking, at the moment of speaking, the action is shown to be ongoing. In this tense, the action is shown to be in progress. Okay, action is shown to be in progress. Suppose I want to say Ram is going. Ram is going means Ram is going now at the moment of speaking. Ram's departure is under process. The action has not been completed. The action is not over yet. So the present continuous tense is the tense in which the action is shown to be ongoing. The action is shown to be in progress. So the tense in which the action is shown to be in progress, the action is shown to be ongoing, is called the present continuous tense. And if you want to construct the sentences in present continuous tense, the present tense forms of to be have to be used. Present tense forms of to be. Okay, present tense forms of to be have to be used. These are the present tense forms of to be. Am is are have to be used. These are the forms of to be. But these forms of present tense forms of to be. Okay, you know the forms of to do, to be, and to have. Okay, without these forms, you won't be able to construct the sentences. And therefore, if you want to construct the sentences in present continuous tense, you will have to use am, is, are. Okay, so am, is, are play very important role. Am, is, are play very important role in constructing the present continuous tense sentences. So it is necessary for all of us how to use them, how to use these forms of to be along with the personal pronouns. So it is necessary for all of us to learn how they are used in conjunction with the personal pronouns. So let us write the personal pronouns and how they are distributed, how these forms are distributed along with the personal pronouns. So I means I is first person singular number, we is first person plural number. These are the first person pronouns. You means to and you means to me in Marathi. Second person pronouns, he, she, it. Third person pronouns, third person singular number pronouns, and they is third person plural number pronoun. And this part is singular number and this part is plural number. Okay, so we want to use amijar. Suppose if we want to use amijar, how to use them along with the personal pronouns? So yam is always used in front of I. I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, and they are. So in this way I have distributed all the forms of to be along with the personal pronouns. Now you must have understood how to use them along with the personal pronouns. Okay, so amijar play a very important role in constructing the sentences in present continuous tense. Without personal pronouns, they are not able to play the role in constructing the sentences in present continuous tense. So let us learn how to use them again with the help of the posters. Okay. I am, okay, I am is always used along with I, am is always used along with I. Then we means me, we are, R is always used along with we. Then you, okay, you means to and you means to me. You are, R is always used along with you. You means to and you means to me. Then he, she, it is. Third person singular number. Is always used. Is has to be used along with he, she, it. And they are. R is always used along with they. They is third person plural number pronoun. Okay. So in this way you must have understood all these things very well. They, I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, and they are. In this way we have distributed the present tense forms of to be along with the personal pronouns. How they are used along with the personal pronouns we have learned. Okay, and now let us learn a sentence with the help of, let us construct a sentence in present continuous tense. Okay, with the help of the personal pronouns by using amijar. With the help of the personal pronouns, let us construct a sentence. I am drawing. I am drawing a picture. मी चित्र काढत आहे. Okay. So first of all, let us identify subject. This is subject. I have used subject first. So if you want to construct the sentences in present continuous tense, first of all subject has to be used. Then a present tense form has to be used. Then present participle form of verb has to be used. Means the form by adding ing to the main verb is always used in this tense. Means draw has to be created in a new form by adding ing to the main verb. Okay. The form of verb which is created by adding ing to the main verb has to be used here after form of to be, after the present tense form of to be. And then finally we have to use object. So in this way we have constructed a sentence. So, if we look at all these things very well, the formula of the tense quickly comes to our mind. That means we quickly realize the formula of the tense. The formula is like this. The formula is I means yes. Okay. Then am is are is are. Okay. Then V plus ing form means present participle, and then object. So this is the formula. This is the formula. So I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. So we have constructed a sentence by using personal pronouns with the help of personal pronouns. By using am is are, we have constructed the sentence in present continuous tense. So I have introduced present continuous tense today. I think you must have understood all these things very well. I assume that you understand everything taught in today's class. So the remaining part of this class will be taken at the time of next period, next class. So till then, bye bye. Thank you very much for listening to me very carefully, my dear student friends. Thank you.